The compensation fund has been reeling in poor governance, which resulted in its failure to submit its financial statements and obtain clean audits. It's received disclaimer audit opinions for the past 10 years, and now the entity is going after those who are fraudulently milking the fund.
Also on 24th March 2022, ASIM requested the Asset Forfeiture Unit to do an investigation and apply preservation order for an amount of 227 million with those criminal cases that we identified, and we will be updated once those recoveries are made.
28 criminal cases were opened and 19 were finalized. Meanwhile, the fund says it had a market value of just over 100 billion rand as at the end of March this year. However, some of the unlisted investments with the Public Investment Corporation have delayed compiling financial statements.
We have now requested to submit that on the 31st of August 2023 to allow us to incorporate the insights and the recommendations that AGSA would make on the 21-22 financials. The financial statements action plan has been compiled and it is being implemented for the 22-23 annual financial statements.
The Portfolio Committee says it will monitor the implementation of the audit action plan.
For 5 years, more than 5 years, an entity has got disclaimers. It speaks to the caliber, the capacity, the ability of that entity to service the ordinary people, the workers, whose lives depend on going to work. And when a person is injured on duty, it then puts everything in a serious challenge. Not only that person, but that family.
The Employment and Labour Department says the Compensation Fund and the Unemployment Insurance Fund will be unbundled from the department to be independent entities. Ulelani Philip, SABC News, Parliament.